I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys: power key, volume down and volume up. So let's hold down together these three keys for a couple of seconds. Let me show you. Keep holding those three keys. Release all keys as soon as MEIZU logo pops up, and here we've got the information that the device is in a Fastboot mode. You can read here the lock status, the root status and other stuff. If you would like to quit this mode, you can simply press power key for a long time. Let me show you. Keep holding power key. You can release power as soon as phone goes black, and now let's press power key one more time to turn back on the device. The MEIZU is switching on. Let's wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, now you can use your phone in a normal way, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.